Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, those of you want to see me in the natural eyes, but you cannot see me yet because there's a hindrance between us. Number one, your thoughts can't keep you more. Number two, you keep on loving the things of the earth. Number three, you don't seek me more. There is a right time for me to show up to you. Please wait for that time. Please take a moment to read my words more often. Please pray more. Please seek me more. Don't be defiled. Enlarge your hearts. Enlarge your territories. I want to come in your hearts. I want to dine in your heart so that I can share many visions and treasures for you to see. You can see a large of visions because I'll share it to you if you seek me more. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.